That's sad, isn't it? Some park kite. Oh my god, that's desperate.
A merry little Christmas, and have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Good morning again, everybody. Here's breakfast for you.
Oh god.
Today is another easy day. It's sort of paired itself a bit. Everyone's sort of winding down for the Christmas period here now. So today I think we're going down somewhere in Leash. I haven't heard too much about it. Going to load something down there, Leash. And that's all I have about to tell you. I've no other informations. I've no other facts about what could happen today. But all I know is I'm going down to the Leash direction. So I'll have those 2 chocolate bars and my coffee. I'll get down to Junction 14 and then hopefully there'll be a bit more of a change in Junction 14 since the last time I was there, because it's still a building site, I don't know. I haven't been down there in about 2 weeks now, I think. So yeah, toodaloo. And we are off. So I have my trailer on now. You all might notice I started a bit later than what I usually would as it's bright outside. But I went to the park last night. You would have seen that I was giving out about Dublin Park yesterday. I went to the park to put myself ahead today. So literally just out of the yard straight to where I'm going and then back to the park later. So no park this morning, thank the Lord Jesus. And I should be back to the park early enough, like, because I'm only going to Leash. Like, Leash is only an hour and a half away, you know. So all is well. Crash there at Rackhill there, lads, and this I'm going to just keep videoing just to see how far back this traffic actually will go. I'm presuming it'll go all the way past Nace. But again, the slow lane for any said to go, oh, you're in the middle lane in. That's mad. Another way I've been saying, guys, that I'm looking for a house, yeah? Like that I'm looking to work, me and my partner are looking to buy a house, yeah? And we were actually thinking, right, Kildare, we could go to Kildare, because it doesn't matter what way you're going to go, you're going to be at least about a half an hour, 45 minutes away from Dublin. But there's no way I could sit in that every day. I know I'd be gone mad early in the morning, but my missus wouldn't be, and that is, holy God, that is ridiculous. Look at that. That is mental. But that's a f***ing traffic jam. Is there anywhere nice for breakfast on the M7, M8 and Junction 14? Personally, I don't think so. So I'm going to go in here and get some replenishment, because where I'm going to isn't miles away from here, so I'm just going to go in here to get a bit of breakfast. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. We're at Low Junction Park. I'm trying to do this whole video without cursing. If any of you are wondering why there's a lack of bad language or lack of beeps. Still a building site, though. Ah, look at the Santa Claus on the back of the truck, look. Very fair short in spaces. ourselves a sandwich. Actually, one thing I want to say about Junction 40, because a lot of people said this to me, they think I'm getting paid to advertise the place, right? I'm not. It's just, it's a really nice place to go in and get some food. The deli has gone up in price a tiny bit, but to be honest, I don't even care about how much it goes up in price because it's good food, always tastes good, the service is always nice, the place is always clean. They're doing the whole place up for the likes of us and tourists and everyone else. So at the end of the day, I think they deserve, you know, all the mentions. They have an unreal barista. They have Supermax, big massive Supermax in there now. Anything you need that they have it. So that's why I keep mentioning them, and they're after putting in loads extra driver parking. So like, I don't know, I just think they deserve it. And I went in and got a coffee off probably one of the nicest young fellas I've ever met in my entire life. Just really nice, really polite. Yeah, how are you? Have a good day, all that. So like, all that stuff, it matters to people like me and other drivers, because when you go into a place and you're just like, yeah, what you want? Oh yeah, no water. That puts you, it's just, you know, it makes our day worse because you know the way you're on your own all the time, and when you're driving, you just feel shit after that, you know. So like, I really enjoy going in there, and most of the time I meet a lot of you guys in here because this is like, you know, a real hotspot for our drivers. So yeah, that's why I don't get paid by them. I wish I did, because they owe me a fortune. So after 3 days of trying to pronounce it, Stranolar, not Stranolar, Stranolar, or Stranolar. That's what I've been told. Thanks for grammatically correcting me, because I don't know, you'd love to know who named that. Anyway, he must have been Stranolar at the time. So I'm having another coffee. I'm having the time of my life here on the M7. There are many of you. I just passed. A lot of you say that you see me in Cork, guys. That's not me. That's a driver that is based down there. The only difference you can tell between my truck and his truck is that he doesn't have a helmet. He has a dash table, but it doesn't go to full length, so it's pretty like, it's they're basically the exact same. And his doesn't have the super single on the mid lift, or what's he not have? He doesn't have the silver mirrors. That's literally the only difference. There's not a lot in it. Like, you would think it's me, but trust me, Dennis doesn't look like me. That's sad, isn't it? Some park kite. Oh my god, that's desperate. Let's go. This is a tight house horn, I don't know if you guys know. It's kind of blind on both sides, so. And we've got a lot of way now. Right up to your front door, Blakey. What's up, guys? So yeah, I done me load. I loaded the tank. We're now on the way back to none other than Dublin Port. We're gonna export the tank and then get me tank on for tomorrow. Looks like it's gonna be another early day. Back in this amazing place again. Can't wait. Actually, I was here at the same time as him yesterday. Remember him pulling in yesterday? There. We're here again. Let's pray to the gods above, up there in the cranes. Can we get in an hour here, nice and swift? Literally not one of us has moved since I recorded that the last bit, and it's been about 15 to near enough half an hour. I can't remember, I didn't time it, but it's definitely been more than 15 minutes. So we're bollocksed again by the looks of things. Oh, why can't they just run things properly, you know what I mean? And just stop messing, I don't know. what's going on, but they're not answering the phones anyway, or they're not ringing the phones. And look, it's already started, the queue. Same on this side as well. And I'm guaranteed it's going to be going up that Alexandra Road. Actually, I meant to say, if anyone has a new shaped S SCANIA or S520 or whatever, it has to be a V8. Let me know if I can drive it or do a run or whatever on the weekend. I need to know. I want to drive one. I haven't driven one yet. I'm mad to not find out what the crack is with it. So look, we got the first one off handily enough after a nice half an hour wait at the gate. So now what I'm going to do, I'm flying over to the other yard now. We all know how badly this went yesterday, so I'm saying nothing until I get in and out of there. But we're on the way over there now. The main queue seems to be at the main gate. And don't get me for any seatbelt, I'm in a yard and I'm going at 5 miles an hour. Yes, get at me back. Jeez, that queue's massive now. Oh, that's a nice 164. Oh my god, Kennedy's that has that green 164. Very, very well done, sir. You know what they say, get out of that garden, matey. We're in and out of here. Can't believe it. Tell you, keep praying to those hot road gods and they'll look after you. Now, there was a half an hour queue to get in, but we'll tolerate that. We'll tolerate that. Lads in the office must have been on a break or something. You didn't think it'd be a normal day without him making an appearance again. Or him. Yeah. Every day. Wasn't lying. Every day. Gotta go though, yeah. Don't say that I don't try work hard, yeah, because I'm about to get out. It's nearly 7 o'clock. Right? It's pissing rain and I'm gonna give the truck a wash. Dedication, lads. And I'm gonna go home and edit this video and I'm gonna do all sorts of other things. So basically, the moral of the story is work hard, yeah? Absolutely soaked. Day 10 is over. Hope you enjoyed.